Welcome to the channel, everybody. And what we have in front of us here is a really nice buy setup, a counter trend though. The counter trend parts are relevant. What we're here to do is identify harmonic patterns, and that's exactly what we're doing here. I'll talk about the counter trend element in a minute, but harmonic patterns, there's always an ABCD structure. So I'm taking the most obvious swing here, and I know from doing so many of these that the ABCD in essence is like a lightning bolt in structure. So we take this length AB and we put it from the high of the next swing. So we have CD. So this is basic Pythagorean mathematics. AB equals CD. And we are confirming these entries with Fibonacci. So this is NZD USD. What we've got here is the classic Gartley pattern. I just color in the wings in a nice shade so it's not too contrasting on the eye. Now, ABCD, so we have the completion point here. So what we are noticing is the completion point and the Fibonacci retracement. So this is a completion point. But when we start using the Fibonacci tool to measure the ratios of this particular pattern, so we've got 50% here. We'll just draw that in a second. Okay, 50%. So it's quite a steep slope, 50%. Now here's the clincher. So we've taken a trade directly off the 78. That's what we're seeing here. So that I'm just going to put a generic 78%, even though it hasn't hit this level, but it's pretty much that level. You could be forgiven. You have to also remember that when you trade these harmonics, people get caught up on trades not hitting it to the pip, and then it discourages them. That's not what it's about. You have to have a bit of imagination. Price is going to go past your levels. So I hope you just got an idea of how I've done that. That is a Gartley buy pattern. Now I will get into the context of why in isolation this is fine. If we're looking for a small pullback, this is absolutely fine. We're expecting prices to go higher. We're expecting, if anything, this move here again. So I'll just take this low to this high and I'll move it so we can get an idea of the kind of retracement we could expect from either of these areas. So we're looking for a retest of this high. Now, these areas here are also harmonics that need to be compiled. So we have a 161.8, we have the 78.6, and here is the, let's just have a look. This I would say is the 50% as well. So not classic Fibonacci Gartley, but a mechanical approach still, where the ratios add up. And we do expect higher prices. We can also see the 1, the 2, and the 3. Now, looking at this in more detail, it's possibly for another video, but this is a downtrend trade purely based on this market cycle. So what we do is we're looking to take trends in line, typically. So we would be looking for sells on this. I missed the sells. And what we've seen instead is the Gartley pattern I've just shown you. But ultimately, we are expecting a flow lower. From here, we are expecting price to give us a bit of a pullback, nothing more really. But you can see the Gartley pattern and you can see the anchor. This should give us some sort of a pullback. You can see 1, 2, 3. So there you have it, folks. Please like and subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.